welcome back to my channel Achal's Art Gallery. And I know the video quality isn't that good, but it's already raining outside heavily and I cannot do anything with the lighting, so please bear with me. So in this video I'm going to show you 2 to 3 different room decor ideas, and by using this 5 to 10 rupee sheet you can make them very easily. So if you follow each and every step which I'm going to show you, even you can make them. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Cut out a small square shape from the sheet and try to make a cone out of it by sticking both the ends together as I'm doing. Stick them using any glue. And it is done. Now you have to make a number of these. After that, take a useless CD and stick these cones on it together. And it is done. Now let it dry for some time. Now after that, cut out a small circular portion and paint it in any color of your choice, and then stick it in the center to give it a very neat look. And after that, make 4 to 5 more of such cones and then tie them with threads. Remember to take a very thin thread, and especially of white color, so as they should not be visible to our eyes when we hang it. And now with the help of double-sided tape, stick them on the wall or wherever you want, and it really looks very cute. Now for my second DIY, I took a small portion of the sheet and I made a butterfly shape on it. Cut few more such shapes, and then I took a cover roll and I tied certain threads on it. And now I am sticking these butterflies on the thread in an overlapping position, so that if even they turn, they will look the same from the back side also. So do it carefully, and the thread should not be visible and it should be at the center. And in the same way you have to stick all these butterflies, and you can border them as I have done. And at the end I tied it up with a pearl, and you can tie it with any stone or something. It's totally up to you. Now I took a small square shape out of that sheet, and now I am just covering it up so that the thread area is not visible on this roll. And in the similar manner you have to paste 2 to 3 more such sheets. And on the top I tied a knot, and I have tied it from both the sides so as to make it much stable. And I've pasted all these butterflies from both the sides on these threads, as you can see. And yes, it is done. You can see how easy this was, and yet it looks so cute and beautiful, and you can hang it in your room, in your living area, wherever you want.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below if you do, and you people can also join me on Instagram. Its link is given in my description box.